Joshua Powell here at Sam Boswell Honda, and this is the 2019 Honda Accord Sport. You'll have full LED daytime running lights, headlights, and fog lights. You'll have the premium upgraded black rims. You'll have keyless entry. You'll also have a power seat 12-way with lumbar support. You'll have the Honda Sensing Suite, which is going to include your adaptive cruise control and the lane keep assist. You'll have steering wheel controls to be able to cycle through your media sources, control the volume, answer your phone calls, as well as use voice commands. You'll have a nice display screen, allows Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, Bluetooth. You'll also have AM and FM radio. You'll have dual climate control. You'll also have USB and power port. Econ mode for fuel efficient driving, sport mode, electronic parking brake, and a brake hold feature. Here in your center console, you will also have an additional power port. Place to store your sunglasses. You will have the all-weather floor mats and all footwells. You'll have a capless fuel filler. The vehicle also comes with a backup camera with 3 different selectable views. You'll have a nice sized trunk with an all-weather cargo tray. And under here, you'll have the spare tire set. You'll also have the 60/40 split fold-down seats. This is the 2019 Honda Accord Sport here at Sam Boswell Honda. My name is Josh Powell. Please give me a call at 334-417-0406.